Hello, this is the NeedMoney startup, which is a financial platform. There are people who need money meet people who have this money. This program will be useful for a mutual lending company based on the peer-to-peer scheme. Next, we will consider functionality of the program. We undergo the registration. They get to the personal account, where we have to fill in personal data in order to be allowed to apply for a loan, as well as to be provided with this loan. After completing the date, we will go to Deals. We see two tabs: My Loans and My Deposits. My Loans, it is where we want to lend from. My Deposits, it is where we are ready to deposit. We anchor a wallet to processing. So, we create a new loan application. We indicate terms of the loan which suit us. It is certainly an amount that we want to receive, the amount that we are ready to pay back, and after what period of time. Lever, we indicate the purpose of the loan. That means what we need to get the loan for. For example, for buying a car, then we upload our application. Further on, we sign in under a different profile, the lender's profile. We go to the list of loan applications. See the terms of including a deal. Here we can see information about the borrower, his or her rating, completeness of the provided data, as well as the credit record. Now we switch to the deal. Here we can change terms of the deal. By changing the terms, we form a counter offer. Here we have a peculiarity. It is a payments schedule. We can set on our own the dates. Then the borrower is obliged to make payments. Otherwise, he or she will be charged fines and penalties. After correcting the terms, we forward them on approval to the borrower. This very moment, the borrower receives an email that his or her application has got a reply. Now we switch to the borrower's profile in order to consider the proposal suggested by the lender. We see the terms having been changed. We also can look to information about the lender. In case if we are dissatisfied with the counter terms, then we can refuse. By accepting the terms, we give a start to a deal. At this moment, the lender receives the message that the deal has been successfully concluded. We switch to the lender's profile in order to transfer money to the borrower. Now we choose convenient methods of payment and transfer the money. Here we can see some system messages. These messages give us the understanding how our deal is being run. Also, it is here that the lender and the borrower can communicate. It is also important that if something goes wrong, the technical support agent can interfere in the course of the deal. Thanks to the system messages, it will be clear who is not right and why. Now we return to the borrower's profile. We need to confirm the payment made by the lender. Thus, the borrower has got the money now. He or she spends then on his or her needs. Then here comes the moment when the money is supposed to be paid back subject to the payment schedule. In the personal account, we go to our deal and effect the payment. When we look for the message to appear that the borrower effected the payment, we can write a message to the lender. We check the payment at the borrower's. It is all correct. Now let us effect the remaining amount of payment to be made by the borrowers, and we will see what comes next. The deal has been consummated. The borrower has paid back the total amount of the loan. while a lender has received his or her interest. The deal has been archived. The lender and the borrower have improved their rating, and now they can start executing new deals. It should be added that in this program, the flexible interface has been anticipated. It can adjust to legislature and financial peculiarities of any country, as well as to some definite needs. All financial organizations, they have their own program for mutual settlements, which is able to engage any processing. Respectively, both the borrower and the lender can transfer and receive money in any form suitable for them.